Gang, I bought Chainlink cryptocurrency at the ICO stage when it was only 10 cents. Today, this coin has done $12.62. Actually shot up to, if I'm not mistaken, $13 and it came back down. But either way, guys, I bought the coins for 10 cents. 10 fucking cents. That's 0.10, and today they're worth $12.62, guys. That's like crazy gains, guys. It's like crazy gains, unheard of. And again, I'm like an open book with you guys. I share with you the moves that I'm making. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't listen to me in any shape or fashion, but I'm just showing you my playbook. I'm showing you what I'm doing, okay? And back in 2018, I let you guys know that I was buying cryptocurrencies, that I believe that these things are going to rocket up, even though they had a 50%, 60%, 70%, 80% correction on many of the coins. When everyone was fleeting, I was buying it. The same thing exactly happened to gold, guys. Gold in 2016, it was $1,100, right around December, the end of the year, guys. And I came out and I said, look, man, gold's to play for me, not for you. I'm not giving financial advice for you, but it's what I'm doing. I said gold's to play for me because I'm seeing a big, massive crash coming to America. I'm seeing massive printing of money coming. I'm seeing massive debt, massive growth. Everyone can now have success in any business, in any real estate. Everyone is making money, and I knew something was wrong, okay? Everyone was drinking champagne when the Titanic was about to fucking sink. And so I got out of the real estate game and I said gold's the play. I put my money into gold. And today, gold is $2,000, guys, 2,000 plus. I got into it at 1,100, guys, 1,100. Again, I'm a refugee to America. Don't know shit, right? But I have my ear to the heartbeat of the street, not because I read statistics or charts, because I silence my brain, and I can watch to see what's going on. And back in 2016, I could see we were about to hit a major meltdown, and here we are today. Same thing with cryptocurrencies back in 2018. Around those times when I started getting into cryptos, Chainlink had just started an ICO, and boom, I got into it at 10 cents. Today is almost $13, guys. So same thing with real estate. Back in 2006, guys, the market has 2006 fourth quarter, before anyone realized, I knew the market was melting down in a matter of months or a year. So I started getting into real estate investing, right? No one wanted to buy real estate because then it became 2007, 2008, 2009. The market melted, guys, all right? And no one wanted to get into it besides myself. I got into it. Guess what? 2016, the market was top of the top, and I exited, okay? Now, if you're interested in real estate and you're tight on funds, right, then consider joining my academy, where I give you access to unlimited academy access plus monthly coaching, guys, for just freaking $47 a month, guys. It's freaking $47 a month. And here's what you get, okay? You get unlimited academy access plus monthly coaching. On top of that, you get education on demand, which I have over 1,000 training videos. Again, 1,000 training videos, thousands of hours of training videos about subject to investing, wholesaling, landlording, master lease, fix and flips, option, virtual assistants, sales, cold calling, closing, follow-ups, and so much more. So I give you access to our education on demand, which comes with the academy. Plus, I give you access to my best-selling courses, guys. Okay, and I'll get that in 1 minute. But in the academy, you get education on demand university, which is those 1,000 videos. You get monthly coaching once a month. I meet with you guys right through your computer. You get access to our community, and then you get instant access to my new courses, okay, and my best-selling courses. And what are those courses? Well, number one, you get the mother course. It's $3,500. You get my VA Exponential, which is, the price is wrong here, but it's $3,000. You get access to my massive PLM system, my owner financing for profits, the new flip calling for profits, and on and on. You get access to all this stuff for just freaking $47 a month, guys. That's over $22,000 you're getting access to. Why do I do it? Because I want you guys to succeed. Okay, I want you guys to succeed. It's just $47 a month. Okay, don't worry about. It used to be $97 a month, and I got to fix that up. But it's $47 right now. The price is going to be increasing. So if I was you, I would get into it ASAP. And if you're looking for a side hustle, if you're looking for a business, then definitely consider downloading the new Flip. Is my strategy where I show you how I invested $100, made $697 in just fucking 4 days, guys. In fucking 4 days. I didn't have to have any new equipment, any new skills, didn't have to have a website. I did it right through my computer, sitting right behind my computer, and I show you how to do the new Flip right here. And I had tons of students, guys, with their success stories. You want to listen to this guy's story right here in California. He did 8 flips, guys, 8 flips in 4 weeks. You should listen to Dean's story. He's in Great Britain. He's downloaded a new Flip. He's making money there. And again, this student invested $200, made into 409 days, guys, and there's tons of positive reviews about it. You just gotta come down here and read it, guys. So the new Flip, if you're looking for a side hustle, or if you're looking for a business that all you have to invest is $100, no debt, no credit card, and you could take that and make it into 2x, 5x, 7x, anywhere between those ranges with just action. In this course, you will be getting, number one, the book, which is 23 pages. You'll be getting training videos, which tells you exactly how to do it, exactly. And then you'll also get my systems, which is a copy and paste manual. It's kind of like a mini franchise in a box. So you get the whole thing. When you download the new Flip, there is no more learning. There's no more learning. Again, let me say there's no more learning. The next step is to take action and stick $100, risk $100. I say risk it because you can lose it. That's what business is, entrepreneurship is. But on the flip side, you risk $100 and you can turn it to $700. You can turn it to $300. And you can do that over and over. But there's a possibility you can lose your $100. But way better than getting indebted to a $300,000 to start a franchise, to start a business, like many other Americans that file bankruptcy. I show you how to start a business with no money, basically $100, guys, no money, and 700% it, 200% it, and more. Okay, download the new Flip right now. You can get it for a special price, guys. Massive discount. This course is revolutionary. It's so simple that when my daughter turns about 8-9 years old, I'm gonna have her get this course and implement it so she can learn how to generate a business at 9 and 10 years old, guys. I do the new Flip every freaking day when I'm taking the shit in the mornings, guys. I spend about 10 minutes quickly giving offers. I show you how to do it right through your computer, right to your iPad, right through your phone. So simple. Anyone can do it if you have the systems, and I'm gonna download the systems for you in this course, guys. All right, thanks guys for watching. Chainlink is pumping, the gold is pumping, and it looks like, I nailed it right with Chainlink. It looks like I nailed it right with the market. It looks like I nailed it right when I said subject to heaven is coming back in 2016. It looks like I nailed it right with gold and silver, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'm very confident that, in my opinion, not financial advice, I'm nailing it right, saying real estate is the play right now because there's a massive crash coming. Millions of people are motivated. And get into my academy if you're on a budget, but you want to get access to my best-selling courses, plus monthly coaching, plus the Education on Demand University, which has over 1,000 training videos, guys, for just $47 a month. Hurry up before I change my mind. Peace.